Hello DB Besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel for 2026. Today we are talking about something very exciting, and that is 5 things you probably didn't know you could do on the Design Bundles website. So with it being a brand new year, we thought it might be fun to kind of go through some things on the website that you may not have used in a long time, or maybe you've never used them and didn't know that they were there. So these are 5 things we're excited to talk about. I will go ahead and tell you the first 2 things I'm gonna talk about are things you need a Plus subscription for. But then the last 3 things I'm gonna talk about, you don't need a subscription for at all. And the 5th thing I'm gonna talk about, I bet you have no clue we even offer it on the Design Bundles website. And it's completely free. No membership, no subscription, nothing required. Anyone can use it. So stay till the end. The 5th one's my favorite. And also let me know in the comments when I get to the 5th one if you even knew that we had this on the website, because I think it's an amazing tool. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing on the Design Bundles website that you might not have used in a long time, or you maybe didn't even know it was there, is Illustrate AI. So this is for Plus members, but I always have to bring it up because I think it is one of the coolest image generators out there. And I know that I'm biased, but I'm serious. This thing is actually amazing because Illustrate AI is not your average everyday image generator. It is built by crafters for crafters. So it's built with crafting in mind, and the features really show that. This is not something that's supposed to replace your creativity. It's supposed to come alongside your creativity and help you craft things that you imagine in your head, but you just can't seem to get out onto paper or vinyl or whatever you're working with. So what I love about Illustrate AI is it really helps you bring all of your crafty visions to life. It doesn't just replace your creativity. And that's where it really shines. So I'm not gonna spend a ton of time showing you how to use Illustrate AI today because we have plenty of videos on our channel that do that. But I just wanna kind of show you the interface and show you what it's capable of so you can kind of get an idea. Let's do a cartoon style hedgehog in a New Year's Eve style party hat holding a balloon and golden confetti is raining around him. We'll just leave it at that. So you can use Enhance to give you more words and adjectives if you need them. You can also use negative prompts for things that you don't want included in your image. You can change your art style. You can generate multiple images at a time. You can also change the orientation and size of the image that is being generated, which is great for crafting because if you're putting it on a tumbler versus putting it on a t-shirt or a garden flag, those are very different orientations and proportions that you might need to generate. You can also choose which generative engine to use, which can be really nice. So I'm gonna start by using DALL-E, and then we can always change it around later if we want to, and we're just gonna stick with a square image for now. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay, I love him. He's adorable, no notes. So here's our little cutie little hedgehog celebrating New Year's Eve. He's got little balloons in his little spines. I just love that. So you can see that you get very different images when you use different engines as well. I'll do one in Flux really quick so that you can just see what that would look like. But Illustrate AI is really a super powerful tool for you to generate images to assist you in your crafting projects. It could end up being in your end result, or it could just be to generate inspiration if you're drawing your own files. But either way, that one's so cute too. But either way, Illustrate AI is gonna help you on your crafting journey so much, and it saves time, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so this is our cute little New Year's Eve hedgehog. If I wanted to put this on a tumbler or a t-shirt, I could do it as is, or I can do what I'm gonna talk about, which is our second feature on Design Bundles that you maybe haven't been using to its fullest potential, or maybe didn't know it existed at all, and that is Craft Designer. So you can actually get to Craft Designer from Illustrate AI just by clicking Edit. It's gonna make me publish to the library. That's great. And then we're gonna choose Pixel mode today, which means we're gonna be making like a print and cut image or a sublimation image or something of that kind. So I'm gonna go into the Pixel mode workspace here. Craft Designer does require a Plus membership to use. This is the second thing I'm gonna talk about today that requires a Plus membership. Everything else you can use completely for free on our website. One thing that I like to use all the time in Craft Designer is the remove background feature. It's literally just 2 clicks and you can remove the background on any image that you're working with, which is amazing. And this tool is really effective. It does a great job at removing that background. Now we have our cute little hedgehog without all the confetti and stuff in the background, which could be more suitable for whatever craft project you might be working on. You might not want background. I can also come in and use the eraser tool to get more detailed erasing. Like maybe I don't want this balloon because it's just kind of in the way of my design, or these little pieces of confetti over here. They feel kind of random now, so I'm actually just gonna remove them. And now we just have a hedgehog with a balloon. We can also come in and add text, and you can see lots of fonts from the Plus library are already embedded in the system for us to use. So maybe I wanna use this one. And I can add text directly, well, if I could click on it, I could add text directly on my image. I can change the color of that text to whatever I want. I can even make custom colors, which is really great if you're trying to match something like more specifically. I can also change the letter spacing, the line height, the font size. I can add an outline to my text if it's like too hard to see it. I can also come in and add bend to my text, which is really great for further customizing your projects. I can move my image around. I can move everything around. I can add additional, I can turn it into a sticker. I can also add additional clip art or images that either I created or are in the Plus library right to my file right here. There is so much you can do in Craft Designer. I'm not gonna get into all the details of it today because again, we have tons of videos on this on our YouTube channel already, but I just wanna show you that it's a really powerful tool, either on its own or paired with Illustrate AI to help you create crafting files, edit existing crafting files, customize files that you find in the Plus library, literally whatever you want. So that is Craft Designer. And those are the 2 things that require a Plus membership. The other 3 things I'm gonna talk about don't require membership at all, and they're completely free, so stick around. Okay, the 3rd thing I wanna talk about is embroidery files. So lots of people don't know we have embroidery files on the Design Bundles website. Some of them you can pay for independently, some of them are in the Plus library, and some of them are completely free. Just free, straight up free. So I know a lot of people who got an embroidery machine for Christmas, and I pointed them straight to the Design Bundles website because I was like, embroidery files can get so expensive. And this is a great way for you to try out lots of different kinds of files and designs for really inexpensive or completely free. And not to mention that especially in the Plus library or with your individually purchased files, they come with a commercial license. So if you're starting a small crafty business or you have an Etsy shop and you're selling shirts that you are embroidering, any design that you get from the Plus library here on Design Bundles is gonna come with that commercial license so you can sell the things that you make, which is hard to come by in the crafting world, you probably know. So let me show you how you can find all the different embroidery files on our website. You can either go to Crafters and go to Embroidery Designs, and this is where you can just see all embroidery designs. So this is gonna show you trending designs. I'm looking at ones that are in the Plus library and ones that you can pay individually for. You're gonna know if it's in the Plus library if it has just this green download button. If you're signed into your account with your Plus membership, you'll see it just says download, and that means these are included in your membership and you can just download them. And for the ones that you pay for individually, you can see that they have a price next to them rather than that green download button. So that's how you know. We have 21,461 embroidery files in our complete library on Design Bundles. And as you can see, there is a really wide range of files, and they're all such great quality. And a lot of them are really unique designs that are hard to find elsewhere, like these little ghosts with I'm actually gonna save this one. That is so cute. I haven't seen that one before. Or the little anti-Valentine club. Some of these are so cute, and our designers add new designs all the time. So just when you think you've seen them all, they're gonna add more. There's gonna be more in here to look at, which is so fun. I also love this little Christmas tree one. That's super cute. If I clicked on one of these, you can see that it comes with print on demand. It comes with a premium license, which means I can sell the designs that I make with this. And it tells you also how many stitches, what sizes are included, what formats of file you're gonna get. All of that, it's gonna tell you on the listing image, and They're just so fun, and it's honestly fun just to explore what's on here. So if you're getting into embroidery in 2026, don't sleep on the Design Bundles website because there is a lot there. I also wanted to say that if you go to free designs, you can go to free embroidery designs, and you can see that there are embroidery files on our site that are completely free. You don't have to have a Plus membership. You don't have to have an account of any kind. They're just free. So once again, if you're brand new to the embroidery world, these are fantastic. These are great to practice on. These are great to get into it and see what you like and what you don't like. And then if you want even more, that's when you can get a Plus membership and download all the other ones that are in the Plus library. But you can see that there are a ton available here, and they're still really great quality, really amazing files, and a lot of them pretty unique. So that's embroidery files. Okay, the fourth thing I want to talk about is monthly deal events. So some of you find us through our monthly events. We have the monthly dollar deal, which is when you can get 44 bundles of files for $1 each, which is crazy. So many files, and it's for 1 hour only. And that event is, the next one is on January 28th, depending on when you're watching this. But we do it usually the last Wednesday of the month, every single month. So that's something that happens on the Design Bundles website. You get 1 hour to shop. All the bundles of products are on sale for $1 each, and you get a commercial license included with your purchase. If you're a Plus member, you do get an additional discount and you get longer to shop, but you don't have to be a Plus member to shop this event. Anybody can shop this event as long as you don't miss it, because it's only for 1 hour. So one thing that I always like to tell people, and I guess this is kind of like a bonus tip of things that are on the Design Bundles website, is even if an event is not going on, you can always go to this dollar deals landing page and type in your phone number right here to get notified about the event. So if you type in your phone number here, you're gonna be on our SMS list. We are not gonna spam your phone, but we are going to text you when there's gonna be a flash sale, a dollar deal event, a DTF dollar event. Anytime those things are happening, we will shoot you a text so you don't miss it, because a lot of these events only happen for 1 hour and we don't want you to miss it. And with the DTF event that we're gonna talk about in just a second, once the bundles sell out, they're completely gone. So you definitely wanna be ready to go when that event starts. So I highly recommend signing up for text alerts right here in this yellow box if you haven't done it already. So still number 4 is our DTF deals. And this is the same thing. This is one of our monthly events. It is a flash sale. It's a 1 hour only. And you can sign up for text notifications or email notifications right here on the page so you don't miss the event when it starts. You can also see lots more information about this event if you just go to the landing page at any time. The event doesn't have to be going on for you to go learn about it. You can find the landing pages for these events here at the top menu, and you can go read more about them and see what you can find at these fun little events. But they both last for 1 hour each. The DTF event is bundles of physical products, which is like rolls of DTF and rolls of UV DTF. They're always themed to whatever month it is, and they're always so stinking cute. And then the dollar deal is digital files. So that's where you can get bundles of SVG files, embroidery files, fonts, for $1 each, and it's a crazy good time and so fun. So, bet you didn't know. You can go to those landing pages at any time on our website and read more about them and sign up for text alerts. Okay, number 5, things you may not have known about on the Design Bundles website. This one is one that I guarantee you did not know about. It is completely free. It doesn't require a Plus subscription. Anybody can come do this at any time, and it is so useful and so handy. I feel like I'm like giving away gold right here, because every time I tell somebody about this feature, they say, I didn't know that was on the website. It is, and it's amazing, and it's one of my favorite features that we have, and it is Design School. So from our homepage, you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and under Resources, this second one right here is called Design School. And Design School is completely free, and it is tutorials that we put out in blog format on lots of different topics, and they are so easy to read. They're digestible. We tell you right here how long it's going to take you to learn whatever it is that we're teaching you. There's pictures, there's GIFs, there's video clips. Sometimes they link to our YouTube videos if you want further information on the topic that you're learning about. But this is like an education for crafters goldmine, and it's just something that we do completely for free. So I highly recommend digging into Design School because it's a very fun place over there. So I'll show you one for example. Like if you're wanting to get into digital drawing this year and maybe you've downloaded Procreate and you're like ready to go. This one right here, how to draw a butterfly. Okay, cool. let's click on it. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to draw a butterfly. It's gonna tell you, you can go to all of our drawing tutorials on Design School with this link. You can find Procreate brushes that will help you along the way from the Plus library from this link. It's gonna show you how to sketch the body. It's gonna show you how to add the antenna, then to sketch the wings, the bottom and the top lines, the outer edge, outlining it, creating a wing pattern, adding color. It's gonna show you how to do all of that. And then you can see 6 related drawing tutorials if you want to keep learning. Some other ones that are kind of more recent, if you scroll down, you can see all of our latest tutorials. So these are really fun as well, because this is where you can see some of our newer tools and how to use them. So like, here's how to do background removal in Craft Designer. Here's how to turn handmade artwork into UV DTF prints. Here's how to turn DTF into prints. How to turn your handmade artwork into DTF prints part 2. This is like a 2-part tutorial because it's a little more complicated. How to create a garden flag, how to create coloring pages, how to use Craft Designer, a user manual, how to make a laser cut snowflake ornament, starting a side hustle with UV DTF, a crafty business guide. There are so many. And if you keep scrolling down, you can see we have all these different categories of tutorials. So whether you want to learn about Procreate, Cricut, Silhouette, Illustrator, Inkscape, it's there. It's there, it's free, it's amazing, I'm obsessed. So don't be sleeping on Design School in 2026. I know you got some sort of crafting thing for Christmas that you now want to learn. Go check out Design School. Okay, friends. If you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're back here every single week with crafty tutorials. We want to support you on your crafting journey, so make sure you follow along so you don't miss when we post a new video. I hope you found this video helpful. I really thought in the new year it'd be fun to kind of do a little refresh on what are some high notes of the Design Bundles website that you might not be utilizing to their fullest potential, especially if you're already a Plus member. If you're already a Plus member, you might find that you're not using your membership to its fullest potential. And if you're not a Plus member and you think, oh, well, there's really nothing for me on Design Bundles, you could not be more wrong. I've only just barely scratched the surface in this video. Definitely go check out the rest of the videos on our page, especially if you want to learn more about Craft Designer or Illustrate AI. I hope you're off to a wonderful 2026, and I will see you back here next week for another crafty tutorial. Bye, DB besties.